Hi everyone, so I just wanted to jump on and show you a little sneak peek teaser of a giveaway that I've got going on my feed tomorrow night at Little Cozy Things on Instagram. And I've done a collaboration with Kate and her maker store. You've heard me probably talking about it a few times now. So it will finally go live tomorrow, and I just wanted to show you what the prize will be. So there'll be one winner, and this is going to be the prize. And then next week there's going to be a second giveaway. So let's show this one first. This is Kate's famous maker bag. It's a tote. It is faux leather. This is the tan. It also comes in black. I'm lucky to have both colours. They're just amazing. So we'll have a quick look around the bag first. So it's faux leather, beautifully designed. Underneath, Kate has made sure there's these little gold feet so that your bag, when it's sat on the floor, is lifted up off the floor so it doesn't get dirty. So that's the front, and then this is the back, and it's got a snap closure here. So it snaps perfectly shut. You don't have to worry about any yarn getting caught in zippers and fiddling around with all of that. So it's a beautiful magnetic clip that's easy to open and close. So we'll have a look inside. I'll just turn it back around to the front. So inside, Kate has created these maker beautiful gold yarn guides. So how this works is you can have your yarn inside the bag, and then your yarn can come up and feed through this, and so then it pulls out nice and smoothly. You don't have to worry about your yarn getting dirty. It can stay in your bag, so you can quickly crochet while you're on the go. So that is so clever. And then we'll look inside, and there's these compartments. I hope you can see this, but what I'll do is I'll turn it around and I'll just show you this first part. So inside there's these little, what are they called, snaps, and they come out, pops out, and out pops this part. So I'll just lie the bag down here so I can show you. So this is the crochet hook caddy. As you can see, this is removable completely from the bag. It is made of the same faux leather in the tan colour as well to match the bag. If you had both black and tan, you could mix and match if you liked. And so the prize will be for this bag, including everything that you see here. So my contribution is these handmade polymer clay crochet hooks that I've made. They're Clover Armoire. They're in size, I've done, see the Clover, my favourite hooks. They've all been glazed in resin, which makes them really smooth and really glossy, as you can see. And I've gone from a size 2mm right through to a 6mm, so there's 9 hooks in total. So they'll all come with the bag in all these colours that I've done. So I did a colour for each colour of the rainbow, plus my famous golden rainbows hook. I had to include that, and my rainbow swirls hook. I've also contributed these pair of stalk scissors, and also in here is a digital row counter. So the hooks, scissors, and the row counter you can all find in my shop, so that's my contribution. And then Kate has obviously contributed the bag from her maker store that she has designed and developed herself, which is just, it just blows me away every time I think about it. So she's not stocking this from a supplier. This is actually her brand, her design, her brainchild, all her. So absolutely amazing. And so Kate has the bag. A set of Clover darning needles. There's 3 in here, and they come in this handy little case shaped like a knitting needle. So there's a big darning needle and 2 smaller ones in there, and also a retractable tape measure, because it's always handy to have a tape measure with you when you're crocheting for gorge. And also, you know, you want to measure how far, how many more rows you've got to do, stuff like that. So all of that will come as the prize. So there's that. As you see, it comes out. It also comes with a tie that's inside here, and you can roll it up. As you can see, I won't do it properly. Roll it up, put the tie around it, and you can carry this out if you just want your hooks. If you're crocheting at home, you just take your hooks out and put them next to you on the couch. Or there's Kate's couch caddy, which I'll show you next week. So there's that. So this pops back inside the bag. I'll do that in a second. I'm doing this one-handed. So you'll also see inside the bag are these little clips here. And they attach to this removable bag that's also inside. So what I do is all my yarn and my whips and my projects stay in the bag, and then this portion I use as my handbag. So inside here with my maker bags is I carry my purse, my keys, my phone, all of that sort of stuff. So if I'm at the shops and I don't want to take all my crocheting stuff with me, I just unclip this part, and there's a shoulder strap which attaches to there, and I take this part into the shops with me. So it's super handy if you don't want to carry the tote around with you, you're just running into the shops, or you've got kids with you like I always do, you can just grab the inner section. So that comes with it. This is the tie that I told you about that wraps around the hook caddy, so that's inside there as well. So this is, so you're getting basically 2 bags in one. It's got a beautiful gold zip, really easy to open and close, and so well thought out. Same faux leather, absolutely beautiful. That goes in the center of the bag. And also I've snuck inside, so this, everything is falling over here, and there's also a pack of Corolla 6 colors, so rainbow colors. There's a purple there, 6-pack of yarn that I'm also going to be putting in with the bag as well. So you've got everything you need in this bag to start straight away crocheting, and of course in rainbow colors, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't throw in some rainbow colors in there as well. So all of this will be the prize. The giveaway is going to go live tomorrow night on my Little Cozy Things feed. If you follow my YouTube, you would have seen me making some hooks. So they will be part of a second giveaway that I'm also doing with Kate. So first we're going to do this giveaway. It's going to be the classic follow both of us, like the post, and tag other people in the comments. So I think we'll go with that. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I hope to see you tomorrow night to enter our giveaway. Okay, bye. Thought I'd just pop back in and show you the hooks in a bit more detail. So here they are here. Like I said, they're a full set of Clover with polymer clay. They go from a size 2 to a 6mm. They're all coated in resin, which makes them super glossy, super smooth against your hands, and really nice to work with. It also makes it a lot more durable as well, because resin itself is also nice and firm, so it gives it that extra stability. And it also keeps things like this gold leafing and the sequins and the crystal all adhered and fixed to the hooks as well. So there you go, these are the hooks that will be included in our giveaway tomorrow night. Good luck!